So this is a Bailey Unicorn Cordoba. I'm just going to take you for a walkthrough on the Caravan, how it operates. As you can see, the beds have been set up in this one. So, as you come in the door, on the right hand side, you've got your main control panel. You have your main power switch, which when you turn that on, the rest of the Caravan becomes live. Your lights for inside the Caravan. Obviously they are all individually switched as well. Your awning light. Your internal fill for your water tank or your internal water tank. Then if you want to run from your Acro, you've got your external pump at the bottom. At the top, you've got your voltmeter to tell you what you've got in the battery on board. And on the right hand side, that'll actually be checked to check the level of your water tank on board. Very simple to use control panel in the Baileys. The only thing that's a little bit different to some of the vans is the internal and external run, as I said before. On the far side, as you come in the door, you've got your Aldi heating system. Let me just turn it off to show you how that works. You can turn it on by pressing the power button at the bottom. To go into your menu, you just need to hit the menu button, and at the top you've got your Aldi heating temperature. So at the moment it's set to 27 degrees. To set the temperature, you just need to go down or up on the control panel to set the temperature. The one below is your water temperature, 30 or 60 degrees of water temperature depending on where you desire it. And you have got the option of 30 or 60 on electric or gas with the Aldi heating system. At the bottom, got power off to the heating, 1 kilowatt supply coming in, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt coming in. At the bottom, you've got your option to run on gas. So when you want to run gas, you hit that button. If you want to run solely on gas, you can turn off the electric supply and it will just ignite up on the gas. If you want to run it as a combination, you can have the power supply you've got coming in and the gas on at the bottom. Have got some options on the right hand side. Day and time, which you set with the controls at the top, and you can show the time on the control panel. Night mode, so you can set your temperature overnight, so you can put in what temperature you would like. Again, you set it by the up and down arrows. Set your day and time for what days you want the heating to automatically come on, like your thermostat at home. Set the time by going up or down on the control panel, and then you can select the days you want it to come on at the bottom. Then you can select your stop time for in the morning. So at the moment it's set at 6 o'clock. Once you've set that, you can hit the on button at the top and that'll be your program set for overnight. Daytime program, again the same idea, just a daytime option. Delayed start, if you want to delay the heating coming on for any reason on a particular day, you can go into set the time you want it to be delayed till and what day of the week it is. And then the stop time again, and then you can hit on or the off button at the top, which then goes to on. Prioritise whether you're using electric or gas. Simply flick between the two. At the bottom you've got your temperature offset, so if the Caravan temperature on the inside drops below a certain temperature, you can get the heating to come on automatically. So if the temperature drops below 1 degree, the heating will come on and start warming the Caravan up. Screen brightness, very simple to use. Screen brightness, sorry. Invert the colours and set the screen to dark, and then you can change the brightness of the screen on this control just here. Pump settings, it's more for the engineers, so you don't need to worry about that. Sound on the control panel, on or off. Language, obviously very straightforward, you can set the language of the screen. External switch, which this Caravan does not have. And then the options that are doled out are for a motorhome. Then to turn it back off, just hit the power button at the bottom and it will turn the supply off to the Aldi heating. Below the right hand seat on the far side, or should be, we've actually got the water system. There's a drain down valve down the back. Unfortunately I can't get to it at the moment. This is a purchased Caravan with people's stuff on board. But down the back there's a white drain down switch which you just simply flick round. It's very similar to the yellow switches that you see on most Caravans, and you can just drain it down on the valve just there. Going to the back of the Caravan, you've got an electric flush on the toilet. Simply blue button on top, and then your grey waste flap on the bottom. The toilet does turn for your convenience, as you can see. However, when you're taking the cassette out from underneath, you always need to make sure the toilet's facing straight forwards. So that's just a little walkthrough on the Caravan to show you how it operates. I hope it's been of some help. If you've got any problems at all, please do give us a call at the Caravan Company and we'll do what we can to assist you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.